Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we will explore the integration of Paid Memberships Pro with the popular plugins to extend membership site functionality. First, we will integrate the Paid Memberships Pro with the Elementor plugin. Let's go to the page and create a page with Elementor. So as you can see that the page is created with Elementor. So Elementor is a popular page builder natively supported in the core Paid Memberships Pro. With this integration, we will be able to restrict content at the element container or widget. So first, we will select a piece of content to edit with Elementor. Click on the setting and go to the Advanced tab here. While scrolling down, you can see the option here, Paid Membership Pro. And you click on it. When you click on this toggle, you can click on this plus sign. Here you can add the membership level. Either you want to add the premium or the free. By doing this, you can restrict this content. So you can also leave this section blank if you like all website visitor regardless of their membership level status to view the element. So by that we can apply the membership level with Elementor by using this option. Now publish this page. So when we open the page, we can see that the membership is successfully applied to that content. So it means that content is restricted to the user. And we click on the membership level, it will show the two membership level we have created. First, we have to purchase the membership level to access the content. We can also integrate a membership level with the WooCommerce to offer a members only product discount as a global percentage of or per product. Lastly, for the Gravity form integration, we can create advanced registration form. We can add the custom fields gathering additional member data, giving more control over the user experience. With these powerful integrations, we can elevate membership platforms' capabilities, experiment with Elementor's, WooCommerce, and Gravity forms to provide more value to our members. And that wraps up integrating Paid Memberships Pro with other plugins. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.